Welcome to day 2 of the graphic design challenge. So I will show you how to create this beautiful flyer that you're seeing from scratch, and the material that we used will be available in the description of this video. You'll see a link. All you need to do, watch this video carefully. There are series of code that will display on this video at different intervals. Add them together, form the word, use the word, and unlock the resources. So now let's go. So big shout out to the designer that designed that beautiful flyer. Like I said, all the flyer we are recreating all through this period, none were designed by me. I just downloaded them, decided to recreate it for you guys. So let me bring in the image first. So this is our image. This is the image of that beautiful design that you saw. So let me see the name of the industry. Okay, Laugh Philip Entertainment. So let's just use Laugh Philip Entertainment. Laugh Philip Entertainment. So let's just quickly, as usual, centralize it, change the size, then pick a better font. The secondly, if you've not gotten the beginner to designer course, then there's something you're not getting in this 2026 that we just entered, because in that course you'll be able to learn how to get material, able to learn how to design, how to pick color, how to enhance your picture. Like, the course entails a lot of things, so ensure you get that course. It's just 5,000 naira. It's a 2-in-1 course. We have the beginner and we have the advanced. So if you're a beginner, you need it. If you're also an advanced designer, you also need that course. So just DM me and I will send you a link to the course. The course is also available on Seller for those of us that are outside Nigeria. So just do that. Now, we placing this thing now on this place now doesn't make sense because of that is thing. So all you need to do is enter a light this thing and drop it there. Drop it there like this. Then you bring the font on top of it. Now you see. Then let's enter the presents. So first we'll reduce the size, then we space it like this. I see. Reduce the size and we'll just space it. So now we can carry it upwards. So there we go. So let's check again. Okay. So now let's bring in the image of our actor and actresses. So these are their image. So all we just need to do is just increase the size, then drop it, centralize it. Just centralize it. Yes. Then copy that same image and position it back, then delete the first one. Now, why did I just do that? When you zoom image, the quality of the image reduces. So when you copy it, you get the original quality. So when you copy it, the quality actually comes back. So now let's fade it. Let's go to our shapes, gradients, plus sign. Let's make it transparent as usual. Then let's bring it in. Then let me just make it to be red so that you see what I want to do. So just see it first. Later I will change it to black. So like this now. Then now let's change it to black. Are you seeing? Okay, we didn't get it right. Let's go back again, please. So let's just change it from here as black, sorry. We're having issues somewhere. What is happening now? Let's do it back again. Tap here. Make it to be transparent. Then come here. Just increase your distance from here. Then change the color from here. Okay, do you see now? We've gotten it right. So let's check what have we not done. So film, okay. Kind of another this thing again, another title again. So let's do it like this now. Laugh Philip film. So this time around we'll change our color to white. Then we'll increase the size of our font. Then we'll centralize it like this. Then our spacing, let's space it in. Then reduce the size again. So you see, now let's bring in our title, self-made. So this is our title, self-made. So we'll drop it here like this. We can decide to increase the size. Let's make it 100. Let's see. Okay, 100 is okay. I'll take it up a bit. Then let's see what have we not actually just done. Okay, the name of the actors, the actresses, and the rest. So we won't be able to do that because of time. Well, let me just show you how to do. So let's just put the important details showing now. Or we can, okay, let's just include the name of the actress and actor. So let's just create this thing here, something like this. Now let me see, showing on. Okay, so let's turn this into red. Then let's reduce the size. So now we can come now, enter our showing on. Then we use a bolder font that should be very bold and thick. Multi-Sarat, yeah. It's always good for a job like this. Then paddle it. Now why do we paddle? We paddle so that part of our font will not be cut off. That's why we always paddle our font. So see the starting point down to the ending point. Then let's check again. Okay, Philip Laugh. Okay, they actually did something with that font. That the font is not straight. So go to your style, tap on here, and it will rotate like that. They actually curve the font to one side. So let's do Philip Laugh. Let me say the YouTube name. Comedy. Philip Laugh Comedy. Philip Laugh Comedy. Yes. So now let's drop the Philip Laugh comedy here. Now let's reduce the size a little bit. Then let's bring in our YouTube. Let's bring in our YouTube logo. Let's bring in our YouTube logo. So this is our YouTube logo. So let's just reduce the size. Reduce. Okay, so let's take it down, then drop it here as seen in the comment section. Then let's bring our okay, I forgot, I promised to drop word of wisdom in all this throughout the section of this our design journey. So I've seen a lot of graphic designer ask question like, so if a client asks me to design and the clients haven't paid me yet, so what should I do? Should I design and send to him, or should I design and turn into black and white? What if the client says I want to see the original picture? Now let me ask you a question. When you go to a supermarket and you pick a product that you want to buy, do they normally allow you to go outside with the product and say go and test it, then when if it's good come and pay for it? They will pay first before you start your job. Any client who doesn't pay first before you start your job, then allow the client to go. There's no cause for alarm. You're a problem solver as a graphic designer. So anybody who cannot pay first before you start your job, allow them go. So see you guys in the next section of this 100 days this 7 days challenge.